Hello everybody. So it's that time of year again where we're going to be dealing with tomatoes. This batch, I'm just going to do it very simply. I'm just going to put them in the sink to wash them, and I gotta go out to the garden and pick some other ones too. We're just going to wash these, and I'll be right back and I'll show you what we're doing with these ones. Alright, got to point it down a little bit. I can turn my roaster on to 150 and find my knife. Well, I'll probably want 2 knives. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, because I'm just going to do these ones as crushed tomatoes. So I'm just going to cut it up. I'm going to cut the bad spots out, because I do got a couple. I should have a bowl. I need a bowl. Just a second. Cut the bad spots out, toss them to the side. And the good part that's left, it's going to go in there. Now a couple of these are going to be, I need to remove a fair little bit, because these ones have been on my counter for a little bit. And the spots that I don't want in there. See, like, these are good hearty tomatoes. Like, see, like, look at that tomato. Isn't it beautiful? And this is the color it's supposed to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that whole top off, because we don't want that in our canning. But just, oh wait, hold on. Okay. Like, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That is stunning. Got a little spot there. Chop it up. There we go. Okay. I'm going to keep going because I have a couple sinkfuls, because I just went out and harvested this lot. Okay? So, I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so I have all the tomatoes chopped up and in the roaster. I have it set to 150, what is this? 150 Fahrenheit, 65 Celsius. Yeah. It's gonna cook like this for probably 2 days, because today's Thursday. I work tomorrow, and then Saturday is going to be a canning day. So these will be in here until Saturday, cooking down. Alright, so we'll be back on the next step. Oh, I should add, I have no water, no liquid in here, because there's a lot of liquid in these tomatoes, and it will just cook down. I'm going to put the lid on it and just let it cook. Okay? So we'll be back in a couple days. Alright, it's the next morning with the tomatoes, and I changed my mind. I hit them with the immersion blender to purify them. Purify them? Liquefy? I don't know. It's early in the morning, guys. I gotta go to work soon. To, you know, blend them up. Now I'm just going to leave the lid. Just kind of a jar like this, so then this way the liquid will come out, because I forgot to do that last night. So I woke up and there was a ton of liquid in there, which I didn't want. So I'm going to leave it like this for the day. It's still set at 150 or 65, and it will stay there for the day, and I'll check it when I get home. So we'll be back. All right, I'm just going to show you 2 jars. So I have liters or quarts, whatever you call it. I'm going to put in just half a teaspoon of salt. Now you may notice it looks a little different. I keep forgetting to buy pickled Canadian salt, so it's just regular table salt. I have citric acid. I don't like the way it made the tomatoes taste. So we've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that are going in. Oh, I have you on my right side and I'm right-handed. Now this is a little bit thinner, and the reason it's thinner is because these are field tomatoes or beef tomatoes, or yeah, they're a type of, well, they're heritage tomatoes, but there's a lot more liquid in them. They're not like a plum tomato. Now I don't cook them down until they're nothing, because I always recook this stuff again anyway. I was going to put some flavoring in it, but then I changed my mind. We're leaving them plain. Now I'm going to leave 1-inch headspace, because I'm pressure canning these. I'm not going to water bath can them. I'm just going to pressure can them, because I can pressure can them for 15 minutes. This is such an awkward doing this with your non-dominant hand. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the plate that I have going over here. Now they are very liquidy, but we're still going to debubble these because I do have the seeds in here and the skins are in here. So we're just going to give it a good stir. That one's just a smidge bit over. Oh, no, now that I did that, it's right at the inch line. You want to wipe your rim. Not whatever word I just used. Wipe, anyway. Get it nice and clean. Put a lid on it, put a ring on it. That water's not hot anymore. Okay, I don't have my rings, but we're gonna put these in the pressure canner and I'm gonna finish up here. So just give me a few minutes. All right, we have the canner loaded. Gonna put it down. I'm gonna wait for it to start venting. Wait 10 minutes after that. And then put my weight on, my jiggler. And then can for 15 minutes because these, well actually they both can for 15 minutes if it's a quart or a pint. So we're back. Okay, so the canner is now done. I'm sorry I missed everything. But these have been canning for 15 minutes, turned it off. I let it sit for 10 minutes after it was done everything. And here we go. See, they do separate like this. That's extremely normal. Once they cool down, I give them a shake and then it goes back to normal. Okay, so let me pull these out of the canner and I'll be right back. All right, and here we go. The 7 pints. These aren't pints. These are quarts. 7 quarts of stewed tomatoes, tomato sauce, whatever you want to call it, ready for the pantry. And the rest of the sauce that was in the roaster that was left over, I'm taking and turning into tomato soup. So stick around for that video. And I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I will talk to everybody soon. Bye.